Hey, good afternoon. This is Bill from the Boat Dock and Coleman's RV coming to you. I just wanted to take a minute today and show you this absolutely gorgeous used unit that we have. It's a 2019 Highland RV open range 387 RBS. This thing is a 5-slide unit, has a front living room. Absolutely everything on this unit is in perfect condition, and we are moving this unit just to get it down the road into its new family for only $49,900. The MSRP, the retail value of this unit is over $80,000. This comes complete with the large screen television. It's got double French door, residential style refrigerator, washer, and dryer. It's all included with it, and I want to show you this unit today. Now we're in the kitchen of this Highland RV open range. It has a slide out dinette with 4 chairs, and then right here it's got the residential refrigerator with freezer, huge automatic ice maker built in, island with the sink built into the island. It's got underlighting on the cabinets. Absolutely beautiful unit, solid surface countertops with a stainless steel sinks. And I'd be amiss if I didn't mention that this is a bath and a half unit. So you actually have the rear bath and a half bath, so you guests don't have to go through the bedroom to get to the bath. This unit's also equipped with auto leveling and an entire control panel located here with all of your slides. Located in the rear of the unit in the master bedroom, we actually have a huge walk-in master bath with a walk-in shower with a seat in the shower. And that is a porcelain toilet. Unit's fully equipped with a washer and dryer.